Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going live once again to do one more CSS battle. Okay, so context is was that. Now let's start our CSS battle. So in previous video, previous live, I just completed this. Which one? This one. Today's April 5. Today's daily target I have completed. Now what I need to complete? Yes, but before doing that, I need to do one thing. Let me just go to YouTube and just share and go to the video itself and see if it is working. Like in my last video, sound was not working. Yeah, I think now sound is working. Correct. Okay. But first, but it is not part of this live, but I need to do. I'm going to my YouTube channel and going to live and previous live. I just need to change the title of this video because now otherwise the title of both videos will be same. It is daily target. Daily target, correct. Daily target of 5 April. 5 April 2025. Daily target 5 April 2025. I don't think I need to add that date here. It is okay. I think daily target I can have. Yeah, just save it. Do I need to do something? Just save it and okay. Now, sorry, this was some distraction, but hope that hello. Yes, sorry, I just screamed, but I think audio is working now. Let's do this. So now I have completed daily targets. Now I need to do this CSS battle, but it was finished. So that's why I was thinking I should do only daily target. But now I still have some time, like till 9 I have time. So I need to do one more. So I think n- among these ones I was just finding the easy one. So I and this one I found easy. This rocket one. There we only have 8. And here we were, yeah, we are already seeing all eights right here. So here this is the easy, I think. Also, like what I can create, like what I can create without searching the Google. Now this one I can create, this I can create, this half circle. Yes, this I can create. This this is too similar that we created. Like we need to use rotate. This one is similar. This one we can create, and this one, like we need to create these triangles. We can create this one. Circle, 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 half circle. Okay, we can create. This is the only squares we can create. This is triangle and square we can create. This one, these are not actually squares, right? They are tilted little bit. So we, I might create, but it will take some time. So among these, I am going to do this. This is the simplest that I think of. I'm not sure if it is simple or not, but in my first go, it is like just seeing the images, it looks simple, right? But maybe now I'm thinking this is more simple. But in the title, I have added name of this rocket and these things I have already added in the title. So we can't do anything. We need to do this only. Okay. And how I will going to do this? It will be very easy. And I think all of these objectives I have explained in the last video, but still I am going to explain. Like we need to create this image with the CSS, with the help of CSS and HTML. We need to write that here, and we need to use least code possible. That will increase our score, right? So this is the thing. Let's just remove this. Now I am going to do one thing, and this time I am in this live. I am not going to make it short, like short in the moment. Like I am not going to reduce the character in the live. Like in the last video, I first completed. Then for the later half of the video, I was just doing removing the character, making it small. But this time I will not do. I will do some things from start only, but that I feel that I always do in my most videos. That thing I will do. A, B, and C. I need one this cylinder A. This triangle is B and this triangle is C. Only three things I need. And these two things are in behind. So I think this A will be the first triangle, B will be the second triangle, C will be the that cylinder, right? Then I need style. And in the style, then I need body. And in body, I need background. I will not use background color, only background. And this background, I think this, right? That we have no background. And I am just going to remove all the spaces. Only now after that body, I need to do one more thing. I will select A, V, and C, make everyone's position absolute. Then I will do the background of this is the common color, right? So that I will not this one. I will add on all three, but then what I will do that just now for this B, I need background of different color. This is that, right? You are getting. I am not sure if you are or not, but let's just now start from A. I think A and B will be share many code. So let's do for A and B. And what code they will share? Their width will be the same, right? Width will be A and B is these triangles in the behind. And this is the not the triangle. I am thinking of this triangle which is hidden behind this cylinder. I'm thinking like that. You are getting my point, I hope. Let's do width. I think this width overall is 400. So then it is might be 100 and 120. 120, and I will not going to add pixel this time because default unit is pixel, so no need. And for height we need, I think 100, it maybe more 80. Yeah. Now how I will make it triangle, that I will do with the help of border of the left of transparent and border right transparent. Transparent, I am not sure if it will work. And then border bottom, I think I might need to remove the background colors that I added. Border bottom color will be this color, and that will be height 80 80, and solid, and this color. I think I might need to add pixel also. Yes, now it is showing. And then this might we need to do 60 pixel solid. Yes, and the same I think. Let's just do this. Now it is, then we don't need height. Also then we don't need, what we don't need, this. Yeah, width also we don't need, right? We can achieve with height and these things. But triangle, I think both triangles we might have created. And Then to background color, we don't need this background color also from B, only border bottom color. I need to change it to this color for this one. Okay, let me just do position absolute is already there. Let me just do the position for both. Let me do position for A, and A's position will be top of 10 and left of 100. This is A. I'm not getting what I am doing. Like, I'm not getting the results that I was expecting, but I will be there in very less time. And let's just do C, top of 100. And this background color, then I only need to add for C. So I will remove it from here and add it here. I'm not sure where is the C, but it might be somewhere. That is the thing for later. We need to think about this, but first I need to think about this. Left, I will cut from here, put it here. Now we are talking, I think. Now we are talking. Let me move it more, 20 and maybe 50, 60, make it 80. Right. I need to increase to 90. Yeah, 90 is correct. Then I need to do border height. I need to reduce to 60. Then I need to make it 120 or maybe 110 will work here. Then from left, I need to make it 120 and 130, 134, 135. Then this thing, just make it 65, 65. Okay. I am somewhere. Right. This is the right place. Now I need to move this B. These things might not cause that much trouble if I just close these brackets here only, like this. Then this might be good idea, I think. Let's see. It will be, or we can do directly. Can we directly close this? I am not sure if it is working. Self-closing syntax. I am not sure if it is. No, it is not working. We need to do this only. Nice, I think now. Yeah. So this part also I can move then here. I think both are on top of each other. So A once I can remove, and for V only I need to add top more from the top. That might be 200. 200 is much. 180 might work. Let's just open the diff. We need to increase. Make it 200 only. Yeah, 200 is correct only. It is nice. Now we have these two triangles, you can see. Now we need to create this. Is our code repeated? Maybe yes. It is. Does it? Border, I think I can make it small. Is there border? Inline property is there? Border inline is there. Okay. That I need. I will cut it from here, paste it here, and remove these two things in single line. Nice. Now we are talking. Can I remove solid? Default is not solid. Then what is default? Can I remove the pixels? No. Okay, let's just do ding 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 ding. Okay. Ding 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 ding. It is A and B and B. Border bottom color. Yeah, that one is required. Other than that, all now we need to work on C. And I am not able to see the C because this doesn't have width and height. Let me just do width of. Let me just introduce some lines that I will remove. Okay, and then what width is this width? I think 50 or 60. 60 and height 200 is more 150 is okay. And I think this one only about border. We again need border of 10 pixels solid and color of background. Let me move it so you will see. These two lines I need to copy. Just paste it. Oh, what just I did? I changed the reset this zoom level. Okay, now we are talking. Left I need to increase one. Let me make it 130. No, top I need to even reduce the top to 70, and left I need to increase to 150. Then I need to reduce the width to 40 and border radius. Why I forget border radius? Border radius of of half of width 20 pixel. Okay, it is also including the border of 10. Then it is 30. In this case, I need to pass 30. Okay. Then okay. Like 40 and 10, 10 in both side. Overall width our is 60. Then half is 30. Right. Now just we need to do increase the left. Oh, let me open the diff. That will help. Left 170. Okay, we need to increase the width now. 50. Yeah, 50 is correct. Then we need to increase this by 5. Then we need to make it on 65. Okay, it is correct. Top we need to reduce to 40. Yeah, now we need to increase our height to 70 or 80. Yeah, now it is 100% match. Let me just do the submit. I should have removed this spaces. Yeah, 100% match 611. Let me just reduce some code, very little code that I can remove. Can I remove this pixel, please? No. I can remove this semicolon. 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 Okay, then anything else I can remove. I don't think I can remove this curly bracket. Then I will just do delete, 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 delete. Let me just select Control A, Shift Tab, Shift Tab, Shift Tab. No tab is there now. Now I only need to do delete, 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 delete. You will be like what you are doing. Yeah, this is the like I might have some extension or something that will just like any tool that will just minify it, but I do by hand. Now I have 302 characters. It is like last one we completed in two ends, 270 characters. It is more simpler than that, but we are still having more characters because of these borders. These names are very big: border bottom, border inline, and there we need to pass three property inside them. That is the main thing, but still, what we can do, right? Or can we do something? No, I am just going to submit. Yeah, graffiti again. Now we have at 622 points with 302 characters. Can we remove these two characters to get our something back? Let me just try to remove this. Will it ask me to do more styling? I am okay to do. I am not going to change A, but okay, left. In B, I have not added left, but it will now me require me to add left again. So it will, I think, add more characters, right? Doing that. That might add characters. So let me just remove the B. Does removing the B will cause me to no? I think in B, C I have both, right? Top and left. That I can modify. Top minus 90. Let me open the div, and left I can do 5 and minus. Let me just do minus 90 minus 100 and 180, 170, 160, and minus 50 minus 40 minus 45 minus 35. Okay. Now we are at exactly 300 characters. Yay! Same still, but not 300 characters. Round the number, right? Now it's okay to end this live stream. Bye bye. I hope in this stream my audio is still working and this stream is 22 minutes long. Okay, I think this is manageable stream, right? Then I think that's it for this live. Thank you very much, everyone who watched this live, and bye bye. I'll see you in the next stream of CSS Battle or maybe anything new. Who knows? Bye bye.